Now, in a massive survey done by Network 18 in 13 languages across India on all our digital platforms, 70% of our respondents said that in the coming future they would prefer to travel by their own personal vehicle. And when it comes to personal vehicles, getting your hands on a new two-wheeler is a lot easier than getting your hands on a new four-wheeler. So if you've been thinking about getting one, we decided to help you out by putting together a list of the top 5 two-wheelers, including both scooters and motorcycles, in less than 1 lakh rupees that give you the best value for money. So here are our recommendations.
Honda Activa 6G. If practicality and affordability is on the top of your list of priorities, then you would be wanting to get your hands on a scooter. And when it comes to scooters, there's nothing quite like the Honda Activa. Currently in its 6th generation, the Honda Activa 6G is not only India's best-selling scooter, but has kept that position for itself for years now. And when you look closer, it begins to make sense why. The Activa 6G has a no-nonsense design that ages well, which means the scooter will look good even after years of ownership. And being a Honda, you know that reliability won't be a problem. The Honda Activa 6G is the most affordable option in our list, and it is powered by a 109.5cc engine that makes about 7.6 horsepower, gets a 12-inch wheel at the front, tubeless tires, LED headlamps, external fuel cap, remote opening of seat, and so much more. You get the idea. The Activa is a feature-rich scooter and is well suited for a wide variety of scenarios. Yamaha FZ. Coming to motorcycles, street naked style bikes are the ones that perhaps look the best in this budget. These offer a premium feel and have a design that makes them stand out of the crowd. And on that front, the OG street naked motorcycle, the Yamaha FZ, is what we would recommend. This not only started the street naked segment in India, but has been the benchmark to beat for years now. The current generation model of the FZ is the most muscular one yet, and comes loaded with features like a negative LCD instrument cluster that shows everything that you would want to know, bold LED headlamps, and of course a wide 140mm rear tire, which is the signature look of an FZ. It is powered by a 149cc engine with fuel injection that makes 12.4 PS of power with a 5-speed transmission, has a 13-litre fuel tank, and has a 282mm front disc brake. So, if you can't compromise on style and want something that stands out, then the Yamaha FZ is what you should be looking at. Hero Xpulse 200. Here's the thing, if you are looking at options in about 1 lakh rupees, you will be seeing a lot of road-based offerings. However, if you're someone who wants to take the road less travel and perhaps want to work on your off-roading skills and want a motorcycle that lets you develop a weekend hobby, then there's nothing quite like the Hero Xpulse 200. This might be the most affordable motorcycle in India that does not shy away from an adventure. But don't let that fool you into thinking that this is not a capable machine, as the Xpulse makes for a perfect beginner motorcycle for those wanting to get into off-roading and trail riding. Its size and dimensions make it perfect for everyday riding scenarios, be it in the city or the highway, and if you feel like it, you can do proper trail hunting as well. The Xpulse has a 220mm ground clearance, a 200cc engine that makes 17.8 bhp of power, gets a 276mm disc brake at the front with a single channel ABS, 21-inch front wheel, and 190mm of front suspension travel. This one can do it all. Bajaj Pulsar 125. But what if all this does not pique your interest and you simply want an affordable and practical motorcycle that does the job of commuting every day while still sparing you some change in a budget of 1 lakh rupees? Well, then the answer would be in the Bajaj Pulsar 125. Yes, we know that the Pulsar 150 is also there and fits within the budget, but like we said, if commuting every day is all that you want, then the performance gain with the 150 is minimal. What you get as a trade-off is higher fuel efficiency with the Pulsar 125, while it is as capable of doing city speeds as the 150 would be. What's more, the 125 is identical to the 150 in every single way. And I mean it literally, because everything that you see on this motorcycle has been taken from the 150. That includes all the body panels, the tires, the disc brake, the chassis, the suspension, everything. Even the engine that it has is from the 150, which has been tuned differently, of course. The only difference is that the fuel tank is a bit smaller, and as a result, the 125 is 4 kilos lighter. So basically, It is the 150 in a budget which is going to be equally fast in the city, will save you some money too, and gives you the styling and design of a 150cc motorcycle. And in our books, that's a win-win. TVS NTORQ 125. Now coming back to scooters and the final recommendation in our list, we come to the TVS NTORQ. The reason this makes it to our list is because the NTORQ is pretty much the opposite of what the Activa offers and makes for a good alternative because of that. This makes perfect sense if what you want is a scooter specifically, but are not all that keen into the commuter-based scooters, which is pretty much all of the scooters available in India. The NTORQ takes a sporty approach to everything, be it the sharp styling or the fact that this is the fastest scooter that you can have within the budget. Peppy performance, good cornering capabilities, and a different design language makes the NTORQ special. On top of that, you get a 124.8cc engine that makes 9.1 bhp of power, does 0 to 60 km an hour in 9 seconds. It has things like a top speed recorder, a lap timer, and another highlight is the all-digital instrument cluster which supports Bluetooth connectivity, which takes the value for money to a whole new level. So if you want a preppy ride experience in the form of the scooter, then go for the TVS NTORQ.